What's up guys, YvensB here, coming at you with another video. This time I'm sharing a behind the scenes that we did for my fitness portfolio or my sports portfolio. It's winter. I never did any winter sports and I was curious to see how I could have done. So I'm going to show you the results actually at the end of the video. So watch it behind the scenes. If you have any questions, make sure you fire them below. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to see more. Cheers and good luck.
Today we're gonna search some fitness and some sports stuff for his key thing. It's still nice outside and it's still wintry, so we're gonna take advantage of it. So I'll be taking you behind the scenes. This is with a shot of my cell phone, so sorry if it looks really weird and I can't see the actual camera. Right now everything is set up. Camera's here somewhere. Light. Scenery, and the model is getting ready. I think her boots need strapping. Can't zoom in. Anyways, so I'll be plugging in the camera right here, as you can see, in order to demonstrate how I took this shot. So stay tuned, and I'll be showing the behind the scenes right now. So we got the shot already, so it took like 15 minutes. That's what working with good people does. It's you just get the shot whenever you want. So we're gonna go do some gravy ones. Right now you can't see me. Yeah. Sorry. We're gonna do some gravy ones with Midori again. These are gonna be like all bokeh out, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. Right now I look like an Asian person because my eyes are squinting. So. Je pense que je vais devoir changer de lentille. So right now we just got the shot. This is the biggest camera ever. What's up, y'all? We just wrapped the shoot, so thank you for watching. It was awesome. I'll be posting the pictures on Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media still exists at this point, and we can still post without Zuckerberg playing around. So watch out. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.